I want to start off by thanking Canadian truckers. They continue to deliver for Canadians during these challenging times. I continue to meet with truckers and various representatives and hear their input. Je continue de discuter avec des
Continuing to discuss with the organizations and their leaders.
Last week, I met with truckers in Mississauga and in Alberta. Last Monday, representatives of the trucking industry participated in the Supply Chain Summit, offering important feedback about how to address real challenges faced by the industry. This morning, I met with the Canadian Trucking Alliance, where we had a constructive conversation about addressing the industry's needs and priorities. They all told me this occupation does not represent Canadian truckers. They also all said that in Canada, this is not how we raise concerns and advocate for policies. These blockades and occupations need to end. Unlawful activities are not the way to offer meaningful involvement in government policy development. In addition to engaging the industry, I've also been working with my provincial counterparts. Je travaille avec mes collègues de province.
I'm working with my provincial counterparts on this.
Saturday, I met with my Alberta counterpart, Minister Sawney, where we exchanged ideas and I offered on behalf of the federal government our support. I'm also looking forward to be speaking with Minister Maroney on how we can work together. The provinces have extensive regulatory powers over commercial trucking and road transportation to help end this unlawful occupation and disruptions of commercial trucks blockading the streets and highways. These powers could include, for example, quickly enforcing the provisions of the Ontario Highway Safety to begin suspending commercial licenses and also insurance of commercial owners of the equipment blockading the streets days on end in a city or on a highway. It's clear. Blockades of streets and bridges is against the law and should bring serious consequences for the owners. I would also encourage the province of Ontario to draw on lessons learned from other provinces on how to use their road safety authorities to contain unlawful activities by commercial trucks. We saw Quebec successfully do this last weekend with roadside safety inspections of trucks traveling to blockades. I want to assure Canadians that we hold our sacred responsibilities to protect their health and safety and protect our economy seriously. We will continue to be guided by the best advice to manage the pandemic. And as the situation evolves, we will adjust our posture, as I am sure provincial and territorial governments will. We are all tired of COVID-19, but we must remain vigilant and take advice from our doctors and public health experts. Nous devons rester vigilants.
We must remain vigilant.
Now I'd like to pass the mic to my friend Dominic LeBlanc.